Capture beautiful moments anytime. 1.04-inch OLED screen plus unique mini eyepiece design. Perfect for close viewing, circular display screen fits eyesight seamlessly. Diopter adjustment, -600 degrees, +600 degrees. Suitable for users with varying eyesight. Continuous zooming. Multiple focusing modes can be easily switched to meet various shooting needs. Capture perfect moments clearly, whether up close or far away. 2.7K high-definition quality. Capture details, document reality. Capture photos and videos with just one device, seamlessly blending shooting and viewing. High frame rate slow motion, delicately presenting every moment. Using the lens to capture precious moments, easily sharing beautiful memories. Use high-capacity batteries for up to 4+ hours of battery life. Charging while recording. Time-lapse photography. Freeze the beauty of moments in time. Multiple connectivity options. Unleash creativity. Share brilliance. Capture your visual adventure journey no matter where or when. Capture precious moments through the lens. Effortlessly share wonderful times.
Hi, I'm Adam, the optical engineer of Dwarf Telescope. Optics is charming and magical. From near to far. It helps people exceed the limit of sense, and you can see the things that cannot see by your eyes. There's a Dwarf Telescope in my hand. It has excellent performance with extra low dispersion. Hello. Where are you? Its effective focal length is 673mm. Go straight. Yeah. Turn right. You come forward here. The angular resolution of Dwarf Telescope is 5 arcseconds. You can see very far if you use high resolution. Look out the window at the moon. It's very easy to use, just like this. Then you can see the details of the city. Dwarf Telescope realizes high performance as well as profitability. You can take it anywhere. If you like going outside and record the interesting scenery, I believe Dwarf Telescope is suitable for you. No one wants to take a journey with heavy equipment. If you're having fun with friends, that would be great. Connect your phone to Dwarf Telescope with Wi-Fi and watch together. Use Dwarf Telescope to record the beautiful things in this world.